What's up, you guys? You guys just entered the foam zone. I'm Alex, here with Chemical Guys. If you're someone that wants to learn how to wash your car, someone that just needs a video to watch while they're eating their meal, or if you want something therapeutic, sit back, relax, because the show's about to start. But before we start, I just want to break down every single piece of tool I'm going to use that's going to help me achieve this wash. I'm going to start off with my ProFlow pressure washer, pair that up with my torque snubby, and we can't forget about our big mouth foam cannon. This way I'm getting max suds and max results. Not only that, but I'm gonna pair that up with my 2-bucket method. I'm gonna do it a lot different, so stay tuned and check that out.
Then front to back. I love it when you do it like that. Don't give it to me. Yeah. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Yeah. Don't give it to me. Just you and me. We're moving to the beat. Just you and me. We're generating heat. And if you wanna go, won't you go my way? No need to hurry now, it'll all be okay. Side to side, then front to back. I love it when you do it like that. Don't give it to me. Yeah. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Yeah. Don't give it to me.
And just like that, you guys, your therapy session is now over. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with us. Thank you for being part of the Chemical Guys family. If you guys like this video, please let us know in the comments. This way we can keep making awesome content for you guys. As always, if you like any of these products used in the video, please visit our website at 𝘃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 or visit your local detail garage. As always, I'm Alex. Thank you for being part of the Chemical Guys family. See you guys on the next one.